Like, share, bell, follow.
Welcome back to Anonymous True Crime. We questioned from the get-go if the scream released on YouTube, claiming to be a neighbor's recording. A recording of a girl screaming and alluding to the screams being one of the Moscow murder victims. It has come to light that yes, in fact this YouTuber, talking about you Joseph, made this entire thing up. How despicable. This is not the first time this scammer has done this. He also did a similar incident in the Gabby Petito case. Unfortunately, this piece of garbage thought about no one else but his clicks, views and money. He overlapped, manipulated audio and straight up lied to his audience, which rippled out like a tsunami on YouTube. All to make money off 4 murdered young students. Joseph, you should be called out and subs be made aware. Xana, Ethan, Maddie and Kaylee have already been preyed on by a predator. Their murders are not some show requiring added drama for views. How dare Joseph disrespect the families, victims, police and subs? What a low life. Watch out folks, too many snakes on these YouTube streets.
Like, share, bell, follow.